If Windows is slowing you down, here are 3 quick changes you'll feel difference straight away. Step 1. Turn off the animations. So click on Start, type in View AD. Should come up with View Advanced System Settings. Click on this. Over here on the Advanced tab under Performance, click Settings. Click Adjust for best performance. I tend to leave smooth edges of screen fonts on, and the other one is show thumbnails instead of icons. This one. Click Apply. OK again. That stops Windows from all the animations of fading in and fading out. You just don't need those. OK, step 2. Kill the startup apps. So click on Start. Type in Startup. Click on Startup app in the system settings. And basically turn off everything by firewall. So we got Copilot running, we don't need that. Mobile devices don't need that. Just go through your entire list. Only one that should be on is your antivirus. Work your way down the list, making sure you keep any other critical software, everything else can be turned off. Okay. Once you've done that, close this. Next one's efficiency mode. Right click on the taskbar down here. Click on Task Manager. This is the list of all the tasks that are in your computer. If something's hammering your CPU, right click it and turn on efficiency mode. So this is a demo machine, so I don't have much here. We'll just pick one of these. So if you expand one of these, like Copilot for argument's sake, and then you right click the Copilot app, you should see efficiency mode, this one. Turn this one on. It says, do you want to run efficiency mode? Will lower the process priority and improve power efficiency. If you get a warning like this one, just press OK. And it puts a little green leaf next to it to say that's now in efficiency mode. If you want to turn it back off, exactly the same system, just right click it. Find the one you put the leaf on, efficiency mode, uncheck it, and away you go, you're back to normal. Okay, next one is Storage Sense Deep Clean. So click on this one, close that. Type in storage. Click on Storage Settings. Say yes. Storage Sense is always on here. If yours is off, turn it on. And then go to Cleanup Recommendations. Click on this one. And then you can see I've got some temp files here. So you tick the ones we don't want anymore. Clean up. Continue. And that's it. Go back to the top to storage. You can look at the advanced settings as well. On other drives, where new content is saved, storage spaces, disk volumes, and work your way down. Just be careful you don't wipe out any of your personal files. Any backups you've got, old backups, get rid of those as well. And that's it. 4 quick changes, no downloads, no restarts. Just Windows is a lot faster. So just to recap, turn off the animations, disable the startup apps, use efficiency mode, and run the Storage Sense properly. If this helps you and your PC is a lot faster, drop me a comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the video on screen. YouTube thinks you'll like this one.